Welcome back to the channel. Today let's have a quick look at Rio Tinto because I think it's a good opportunity now if you are willing to buy Rio Tinto, and if you hang around at the end of the video I will quickly have a look at Fortescue Metals, FMG, and BHP and mineral resources as well. I have done videos on these three before, but let's have a quick look at end of this video. So okay, let's have a look at Rio Tinto. I'll remove these so for now. So let's make it monthly, so you can see, let's say from there was a crash here, not sure what happened here, 2008. After that it sort of moved sideways for a period up to 2015. Then it was on a uptrend. So I was looking at this stock like the mainly from here onwards. I'll switch on, let's move to the weekly and switch on those things I have done on this chart. So if you think from here, that's where that uptrend start. So from 2016 it peaked at, hopefully you can see, I believe, let's make it auto. So from the bottom to this top it has gone up 91%. Then there was a pullback about 18, let's say 20%. Then went up again 53%. See, there's another pullback 20%. Then from that pullback went up 55%. Then I didn't put that one because it's more or less same here. Then there was another pullback here, 32%. Then here it has gone up again. Oops, sorry, gone up here 47%. Then there's a pullback another 16%. Then this last sort of run is 52%, and the pullback is 36%. If you think this stock has always given pullbacks, like given opportunities to buy again, so it has gone up like always more than 50%. So last sort of 55, 53, 47, yeah, let's say up about 50%. Then about 30 something percent it has pulled back. So this is sort of the highest pullback up to now. So it is consistent with what this stock do over time, and I know this is reason for this recent pullback is the iron ore prices has dropped massively. That's the reason it pulled back this much. And if you look at the volume also, see last few weeks, like this time it is sort of keeping up, like it didn't drop dramatically. And the other thing I would like you to look at is this RSI. See the RSI here, this is around this time is 29%, close to 30%. So this is like oversell here. Then the other time it reached 30% is here, this around here. That's another massive drop, 32%. Then it sort of didn't reach RSI 30 level for years until 2016. which is this bottom. That's that major bottom which it started the uptrend. So that's why I'm saying this may be a real good opportunity if you are willing to buy this sort of a stock, because RSI at 30 or closer, this stock from 2000, let's say 16 up to 2022 only dropped to 30 once, let's say two times here, and let's say once here because it's more or less same year once, and twice before. So it is real good opportunity if you are willing to buy this sort of stock. I probably remove some of these notes, otherwise you can't see, just to see the support and resistance levels. So if you look at the weekly chart, see here it came down here, then there's a support. I have drawn a support line here, $80, nice round number, then went up, came down and supported here, that is 90. So $80 and $90, which are round numbers, are what do you call, let's make this also 90, so it's round number, are very good support levels for this stock. When I was looking at early days, when early days means when this pullback happening due to the price of iron ore, I had these two lines in mind. I thought it may come down to 80, but it seems it hasn't. It may not come down. See here, came down and supported from 90 already. So this may not reach here. And RSI also, as I shown before, 30, only from 2016, only 2016, and there was once again it happened. Like that's all. It hasn't gone beyond that level. So that's why I'm thinking this may be the bottom. That's what I'm thinking. This may be the bottom because of that RSI. So this may be the bottom. Again, let's say if you're willing to buy, this strategy may be this may be the good strategy with a stop loss. So let's say if you're willing to buy at this level, and I would put a stop loss around this, let's say if you are willing, just go 20% above 75. That may be a good stop loss level with buying at this, like buying here, because more or less with this level, with the RSI low as 30, this may be a reversing, this will be a reversing, this may be a reversing stock. But again, we are looking at the probabilities with all the factors available to us. So that's why I always encourage in my channel to use stop losses. So let's say if you buy here, put a stop loss around 75. So even it come down here and reverse, you have that room, you have given the room for the stock uh, to what you call, move around. So yeah, that's how I see Rio Tinto. It's if you are willing to buy Rio Tinto, this may be a really good opportunity. It was on a long-term uptrend, and yeah, so yeah, really looks good. Okay, that's about Rio Tinto. Then let's have a quick look at the other stocks I mentioned. I will have a look. So these stocks I have done detailed videos before. Uh, if you like, go back and watch in my channel. Again, FMG. I had few levels. This is another level. I have marked like the support level from here. Then I have marked this one, and if it fails that one, it is this one. Early, like again, that's why circle this one in that video. I was expecting it may come down further into this level, but it didn't happen, so it got supported in here around 1360, 1370, and you can see volume has picked up, and again see the RSI is going up now. In that video I mentioned, again only once here, I said twice, three times from 2012 it's reached that 25 level like RSI. That's why I think people picking up this stock, and it's showing the reversal signs already. So again, same story. If you are willing to buy, you can buy it with the stop loss, let's say just below this one, in case let's say go $13, 20% here, maybe 1350, maybe a good stop loss level. Depend. If you want, you can put a stop loss underneath this support level or underneath this support level. It's up to you, depend on your risk level. But again, you can see it's looking really good. Volume picking up, RSI is reversing. It has closed above this support few weeks, like 1 2 3 4, and close above this support once, so that's another good sign. Let's quickly look at BHP. Again, BHP is, I have marked like one level here, then another level from here and here, like two close by levels, but for some reason it, let's look at which level it's sort of yeah, it seems to have got support around 3560, let's say 3550 level. Anyway, this one moving sideways at this stage, so yeah, again it looked good other like other stocks, but it hasn't gone up like showing that reversal. But I'm happy, like I think this level it may get supported. See, once, two, three, four times sort of supported in this price level. 3550 sort of that level. Again, same story. If see, the volume hasn't picked up as FMG, but it hasn't dropped as well. RSI has slightly gone up. Again, looks okay. Again, if you want to buy this stock now, I can put a stop loss. Maybe if you go to the last sort of here, this support is still 10%. So I may go 3350 will be a good stop loss level. Yeah, so that's that one. And last one is mineral resources. Same like FMG, you can clearly see the reversal. So close above this support 1 2 3 times, close above this. This is the resistance level above this level last week, so it's same as FMG. You can see volume picked up as well. RSI, you can clearly see the reversal here. So again, if you willing to buy this one now, probably this may be a good stop loss level, 3550 around that mark. That may be a good stop loss level. That's all for this week. I wanted to show you mainly the Rio Tinto, then all the other stocks quickly, because I have done videos, detailed videos on them. If you want to go back and have a look in my channel, I would like to mention, like, these are not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research, and If you like my videos, if you think they give you some value, please subscribe to my channel and please like them. It will help me to grow my channel further. And if you want me to look at any of the stocks, please let me know in the comments. I'll have a look at them for you. And thanks. Let's I'll see you in next video.